Welcome to Phone Transformer, your guide to mastering your Android device. Today, we're diving into how to remove someone from a WhatsApp group. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started with the step-by-step. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and launch the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Step 2. Next, navigate to the group chat from which you wish to remove someone. Step 3. Now, locate and tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, until you find the group info option and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll through the list of group members until you find the person you want to remove. Step 6. Tap on the member's name to select them. Step 7. Finally, tap on the remove option on the screen. Then confirm by tapping OK. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone from a WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.